So everyone's out here treating the Galaxy Z Fold 7 like it's Bianchi dropping a surprise album. But can we talk about the Z Flip 7 for a second? Because that thing just had a major moment, and almost no one's talking about it. Criminal. If clamshell foldables are your thing, Samsung just whispered, "Hey, we heard you," and then quietly dropped the biggest update Flip fans have been begging for. A full cover display. No more baby screen. This thing's legit. Now here's the kicker. A hands-on video actually leaked showing the Flip 7 in all its glory. And then it mysteriously disappeared. Just vanished. Like it was never supposed to see the light of day. Shout out to Iclino Andre for leaking it, and shout out to us for grabbing the goods before Samsung's ninjas swooped in. You're welcome. But before the deep dive into the video, a quick reality check. Over 98% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. That's wild. Hitting that button doesn't just grow this channel. It genuinely keeps me motivated to keep digging, scripting, and dropping the best leaks and updates before anyone else. If you've made it this far, chances are you're into it. So why not make it official? Thanks, and let's dive in. So what did we see in the video? First off, this thing looks slick. The full cover screen is finally here, and it's looking crispy. Super slim bezels, ultra-thin frame. It's basically the foldable version of a supermodel. It's noticeably slimmer than the Flip 6, and you can tell just by looking at it. When the phone boots up, you get peek at both displays, and they're clean. The 4-inch external screen isn't just there to flex, it actually supports 4 widgets at once. And if Samsung lets us run full apps on it, like Motorola did with the Razr 60 Ultra, game changer. That part's still unconfirmed, let's just say it's looking promising. Oh, and let's talk about the crease, or rather the lack of one. The main display looks smooth. Now, yeah, every foldable looks flawless when it's brand new, so the real question is whether it'll still look that good after months of use. But so far, it's giving premium. Also, the inner display is now 6.9 inches instead of 6.7. Not a massive jump on paper, but more screen is more screen, and we're not complaining. Plus, the whole phone is slightly slimmer, by 0.8 millimeters when folded and 0.4 millimeters when open. Again, small numbers, but in hand, it adds up. Feels sleeker. More refined, like it grew up a little. So yeah, the Z Flip 7 might not be stealing the spotlight just yet, but it absolutely should be. It's shaping up to be Samsung's best clamshell foldable, and maybe, just maybe, this is the one that makes everyone finally pay attention. What's your take? Overhyped, underhyped, or just right? Let me know in the comments. I'll be in there probably flipping out over this thing all over again. Until next time, stay curious and stay flipping awesome.